Mr. Chairman, thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. I'm Deacon Dufour. I deal with criminal justice ministry for the Diocese of Austin, and we deal with the criminal justice system. I've been at it for about 26 years. Our problem is we think that the Department of Criminal Justice presents a moral blot on society right now because it just doesn't operate in a manner consistent with its ability to rehabilitate people. We've got problems with the corrections officers that don't do well with the inmates on the inside because they're never trained. I did a program with the corrections officers at the unit in Bryan, and we took that training to them, and we got about half of them trained over a period of time, and they liked the training. I gave the training to the TDCJ, and the training officer said, well, we put it in about 29 different lesson plans, but he gave it all to the sergeants and all those other people. So the problem is the corrections officers did not get the training, do not get the training, need training to work with these people. TDCJ is not disciplined. It's controlled. The only way you get discipline is to teach discipline. If you're going to teach discipline, you got to understand discipline and be disciplined yourself. So our problem is we've got undisciplined group there that needs the training. If they could do that, they can take out a lot of the trauma in TDCJ. Trauma is all over the place, and they don't need the trauma. So what we're recommending is that you get the corrections officers down at the cell block level trained on how to do leadership, management, that sort of things that they need to do, because they need to model the business with the inmates. The inmates have never seen it. They come up from god-awful circumstances, never seen all the things they need to do, so they come up and wonder why everybody's beating on them. Well, the problem is they are not trained to do the things they need to do. They do not have the proper outlook on society, and it has to be modeled for them. So what we recommend is the training occur for the corrections officers in TDCJ, and also TDCJ's reentry program. The reentry resources are in the community. So we recommend the reentry resources of the community be coordinated by people from TDCJ to help us do it. We're down there trying to figure out, I do that all the time, working with people coming out. We're trying to provide food, clothing, shelter, jobs, sobriety. I get them work, shoes, clothes, and that sort of thing. We're trying to get that done in a community, but we have to have some sort of operation in the community that helps bring these resources together. It's not done yet. I don't see anybody from anybody except ourselves in the community in Austin trying to do this. We've got a lot of resources, but we need to have people help put those things together and have them available for the people when they come out. Questions?
Questions, members? Thank you. Appreciate your being here.
Thank you very much.